Are you ready for your next challenge? All right, Fitsters, go ahead and get your band. If you don't have your bands already, get in the description below this video, click on the link, and purchase your bands. We've got an extra heavy, medium, and light. For the sake of just demonstrating to you in the video, I'm going to be using the light band. It's your little peach pink colored band. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to tuck our elbows right into our waist. We're doing 100 of these. That's it, and then you are finished for the day. Comment below, let me know that you're doing the challenge with me. I want to know. And we're going to go ahead and get our sturdy stance. Abs are tight, knees are soft, elbows tuck in. So make sure your elbows aren't coming here, coming out, or splaying, or anything like that, or moving. You want to keep them right there. Everything's tight. I go ahead and hold my bands right around the wrist. Some people like to grab the bands here. That's fine. It just depends. I don't like to put too much pressure on my wrist, and I want to focus on the muscles that I'm using. So I'm pressing for 100 right here. And we're getting a little bit of the deltoids, the forearms, the chest, and you just press. So don't just release and come in and then stop. Press, hold it tight, bring it in. Out, in, out. Here we are. Out and in. And press, and press. Good job. I'll tell you when we're halfway. This is going to be a quick one. You're going to feel really good. Press, use those chest muscles, use those deltoids. Keep your shoulders from riding up towards your ears. Keep them nice and soft, keep them low. And breathe. I just walked out here on the beach. I'm just in my shoes, my jeans. We're halfway, you guys, almost there. Woo! And I feel this, but you can do this workout anywhere, literally just stop and drop, do the challenge wherever you are. Morning, night, lunchtime, I don't care, you guys can do it. Ow, I'm actually really feeling this, and I'm using the lighter band. Woo! Right there in those delts. Move. Almost there, don't give up. Keeping it tight. Just gonna fix my strap here. All right. That was just my way of diverting attention to the exercise. Come on, press it through. Woo! I think we're almost there. Ah! Ah! Come on. Oh, man. Just when you thought. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ow. Just when you thought, oh, this one's going to be super easy. I can do this. No big deal. I'm going to use my extra heavy band. Get to that bump right after that 50. Start really feeling it. You should feel it right here, pretty solid. Other parts of your body, yes, but right here is the main area. It's amazing. I hope you guys felt that. This is why we're doing 100s instead of 50s, because once you get past 50, you really bump up that challenge for you. And that's what I want you guys to be able to do, is challenge yourselves for the new year that we're entering and see what you can do. All right, until next time, see you tomorrow. Mwah.